Puñeta!
What happened? What's going on?
They blew up the entrance, General. We have casualties.
Who? Which entrance?
You gotta be kidding me.
Nasaan ang mga helicopter? Teka, wag muna. Can you get to our room? Yes, get to our room and signal with smoke. We will regroup with Bravo team and start negotiations with the kidnappers.
What do we do? Tell me what to do.
We go in and get those hostages. They're dead if we don't move now. From this point on, I have control of this.
Okay. Switch your radios to 1-4. We listen to this man only. We're going after the hostages.
I need 2 of your best men with us.
Ikaw at ikaw. Sumama kayo kamanan.
We're going left. Take your team to the right. We'll link up inside. Understood? Get moving. Preacher, you're